This is a 1200 mile review of the Shimano ML200 on my Swift Zip e-bike. It's been kind of heavily upgraded and we go a lot faster than stock now. We're closing in on 30 miles an hour. And the original mechanical brakes failed horrifically in a big crash, which resulted in a broken bone on my part. So you have this particular bike, get rid of those stupid brakes that they come with. But we went with the ML200s, and so far we're on the original set of pads, and we ride a lot. We're well over 1,000 miles into them. They bolt right up to the Swift Zip bike. I just bought them at the bike shop. They were 39 bucks a set. One important note too, to notice on this particular e-bike, maybe on yours as well, I lost the cruise control, or rather you didn't want to put on the cruise control because the safety off was gone. There's just no way that I figured out to have it. However, I was willing to lose the cruise control in order to be able to stop. And after having done the upgrade, I can stop on a dime. I cannot complain. There's no fade. I mean, I've had to come from going downhill at 30 miles an hour literally and just boom, ram on the brakes. I mean, it stops you. There's some confidence in there that it did not have stock. So I would have to say buy these if you're considering them. They're like 60 bucks for both front and rear, shipped to your door on Amazon. Or even at a local bike shop, I didn't pay more than 39 bucks a wheel for them. So, and they bolt right up. So I would highly recommend these for sure.